Hi everybody, welcome back, or if you're new, welcome in. My name's Chris, and tonight I'm heading out to the Christkindl market in downtown Denver and, well, maybe even catch a drone show after. So why don't you come along and let's see what we can see. Yeah, I decided to take the train up instead of parking because it was quite a bit cheaper. Yeah, on opening weekend, people complained about the cost of parking. I believe they were charging $30 to $35. Yeah. Imagine people complaining $40 for Disneyland. But anyway, they then lowered the cost. Still, it is cheaper to pay $5.50 to take the train. Yeah, between my last video and now, we did get our first snow of the season, which was followed a few days later by the first significant snow of the season. Yeah, that first snow was just a little dusting. That second one, that was a little bit more memorable. Well, it may not be the Tivoli out in Copenhagen, but it is a former brewery. So I guess that counts for something. Yeah, I really do wish I could have seen it when it was open. You know, or at least when it was an active brewery. I believe it's some sort of a house for students right now. Or something to do with the campus. But with that, I have arrived at the Christkindl market. Let's go in and have some fun. It is beautiful out here this year. And no sooner did I walk in, I was sent to Wamhalla. Oh well. Yeah, if you don't know, there's a long-standing game. Starts December 1st. You have to go as long as you can without hearing Wham's Last Christmas. Yeah, they played it as soon as I walked in here. Yeah, I walked around off camera a bit just to make sure that y'all didn't get booted out of the game yourselves, so let's go ahead and start walking around. There's all sorts of little booths around here with all kinds of different wares. Ooh, I really do like this one. Hey look, elves. It still has the same feel, just it's a little bit more spread out from last year. Yeah, they even have some live glass blowing. They also moved the mile-high tree down this way. They're doing construction at the old location, that's why they moved it. And oh no, it's back on. Yeah, I've been here less than 20 minutes and they played Last Christmas twice. Yeah, anytime that song plays, I'll go ahead and cut it off just to save you guys. Let's hope it doesn't happen too often. Let's keep on moving along. And don't forget to vote every day until December 1st. Wait a minute. I think that passed. Yeah, this is another one of my favorites. I love all these things all made out of wood, most likely all handmade as well. Oh, look at those wonderful nutcrackers up there. Yeah, nothing says a holiday like mushrooms. And all these wonderful hand-painted ornaments. Yeah, I'm not even going to bother pricing those because my cat would destroy them. This year they do have a classic carousel. It is $5 per ride. It's a restored Herschel carousel, made specifically for the, restored specifically for the 25th anniversary. Yeah, at least a few people are about to ride it. I'm not going to show them. Yeah, things this year are quite a bit spread out. But I have made it all the way to the far end. And, we got roasted nuts. I really wish you could smell that stand. And I'm gonna walk around the far side here. We got quiche and pastries. Now, I did not show the prices or the menu earlier. I don't think I'm going to get anything tonight, unfortunately. I would get some of that wine, but it's a little bit too expensive tonight. Yeah, but if I did get a drink, they do have some nice steins to put it in. And it's not a festival without honey. And don't worry, they do have plenty of food stands. And I do mean plenty. And they even have some crepes. And I'm gonna just check out these stands for a little bit, then go check out the tree. Oh wow, look at all these Santas. And all these ornaments. It's definitely a different feel than last year. Let's go ahead and head on into the tree. And just a quick light sensitivity warning. Yeah, because you can actually walk inside of this one. Yeah, the tree does play some nice music with some light shows. I'm not sure how much of the music is copyrighted, so I'll try to add as much as I can and maybe play some other music on top of it. Well, that tree's always fun. Now let's see what else there is. I think it's maybe an hour or so until the drone show. I'm just going to wander around a little bit and then check that one out. And the one place I didn't really check is inside the beer hall. Well, let's go check it out. It's the exact same menu, and the line is about 5 times longer. Yeah, go to one of the other stands around. Don't bother with the beer hall. I do wonder where this drone show will be, and where's a good place to watch it from. I think maybe out here, but I'm not positive. Yeah, we'll find out in about an hour. And then maybe I'll end this video up at Union Station. I do love how even the construction crane is gotten into the Christmas spirit. Well, I did break down and get the Christkindl lager. It's $10.50. Let's give it a try. Okay, very smooth. Definitely crisp. Absolutely a lager. Kind of do prefer this over an IPA tonight. I would prefer something a little bit more stout-like for a holiday market. 'Tis the season for a darker barrel-aged beer. Am I right? Still, cheers. Well, this market may be a little bit more spread out and therefore feel a little bit more empty than last year, but it still is 100% worth coming down to. Just make sure you don't overpay for parking. Yeah, I didn't quite see how much parking is tonight. I know they lowered it on the weekends. I'm not sure about weekdays. So make sure you research beforehand. I suggest taking the train. Because downtown in any major city is usually fairly expensive to park. I love looking at the cuckoo clocks and, oh look, they even have Christmas crackers. Yeah, the market is open through December 23rd. It is absolutely free to get in. Just again, make sure you check on that parking. Yeah, something tells me that this building will be in the way of the drone show. Maybe I'll finish off this beer and go wait on the other side of it. And I would come all the way back here to film it, but I'm pretty sure there's going to be too much bleed through from all these lights. So the other side of that building it is. Because something tells me this general area might be better to view it. I think I'm going to hang out over here and find out. And to answer the earlier question, it's a student union now. Okay, I'll bite. What do they waste and what's the solution? It's just about time to head out and try to find that drone show. hope my camera did that drone show justice. And now it's time to head one stop up the train and end this video at Union Station. And I will be back to check out the lights of Village Gardens in a few days. It's not open tonight. Yeah, I said I'd be back to Union Station at least one more time this year. And downtown Denver is looking festive. All these storefronts are starting to look nice. Yeah, but I'll try to get out and explore downtown some other time. Maybe even do a bar crawl. Who knows? For now, let's just head into the station and wrap this video up. Because I just couldn't end the night without taking a quick look at that tree. It is actually quite beautiful in here. Yeah, but it's just about time to start wrapping this video up. And like I said, I will most likely be back out here again before the season ends. But for now, I think I might have found the perfect place to say goodbye. Yeah, so I want to thank everybody for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, all that other fun stuff. And, well, I'll see you next time. Yeah, these aren't quite as fun with one person. Good night, all. I just noticed that Union Station has the same address as the Starship Enterprise.